Staring at the ceiling in the dark.
Firstly, add 2 layers of photo or video. You can add anyone, but here I have added the photos. It will be easier. Now add the effect called search it there wipe WIP. Then choose the last one, the horizontal split. Now please follow the steps as I do in the video. You can see it there. If you don't understand, you can comment down. What's your problem? Here you notice me, you have to here fill composite area fill. It makes going down and up at equal time. Now duplicate the effect called wipe and you can change its angle. Not you can, but you have to change the angle approximately 180 as I do there. It will be like a square shape. At last it will be like, we have to make it in shape of circle. I will make it. You just watch the video, duplicate once more. You have to duplicate it once more. Wait, I'm gonna wait. Yes, duplicate it and change its angle more. It will be like this. Again we have to duplicate once more. Then we have to change the angle like, yeah, it's like circle. Now add the effect called rough, ROUGH, roughen edges. Put it on standard and change its strength up to the highest maximum. The edges will be roughening. You can see it there. If you want more roughening, you can duplicate. It will be like, but I recommend you not to duplicate.